In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Klaviyo. Whether you're just starting with Klaviyo or looking to enhance your email marketing efforts, creating an effective sign-up form can help you grow your subscriber base seamlessly. So, let's dive in and explore how to set this up efficiently. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand panel of your Klaviyo dashboard. This is where you'll find all the navigation options you'll need. Go ahead and click on Sign Up Forms. This is the section where all the magic happens, allowing you to manage, create, and customize sign-up forms for your campaigns. Once you're in the Sign Up Forms section, you'll notice an option to create blank form, as well as a selection of ready-made templates that you can use to get started. If you have a design in mind or require a tailored look for your brand, choosing to create a blank form might be the best route. However, if you're looking for some inspiration or prefer a quicker setup, the templates can be a great starting point. Both options are user-friendly, so choose whichever suits your needs. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your sign-up form. Naming your forms clearly and distinctly helps with organization, especially if you plan to have multiple forms running concurrently. After naming your form, you'll need to add the email subscriber list that you want this form to connect with. This step is crucial because it determines where the subscriber information captured through your form is stored, making it easier to organize and segment your audience for future campaigns. Once you've named your form and selected the appropriate list, go ahead and click on Create Form. This will take you to the template editor page, where you'll have the opportunity to customize your form further. The editor provides a suite of tools to tailor your form's design. Here, you can alter the appearance to match your brand's aesthetic by adjusting colors, fonts, and layout, thus ensuring your form fits seamlessly with your website and campaign goals. Once you've finished customizing and personalizing your form, take one final look to make sure everything appears as you'd like. When you're satisfied with how your form looks, navigate to the top right corner and click on Publish. This action makes your form live and ready for use, allowing your target audience to interact and engage with it as planned. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created and published a sign-up form in Klaviyo. Enjoy the boosted engagement and data collection that comes with your well-designed form. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy emailing!